Let's be honest. Your phone is probably the #1 thief of your attention. You sit down to work or study, determined to focus, and then it happens. Buzz. A notification lights up your screen. You think, I'll just check for a second. But when you look up again, 20, 30, sometimes even 60 minutes have disappeared. And here's the truth. It's not because you're lazy or undisciplined. It's because your brain is wired to respond to novelty. Every ping, every vibration triggers a tiny shot of dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. And like a slot machine, your phone trains you to crave that next hit. But here's the question. What if you could double your focus even with your phone right next to you? What if instead of fighting your brain, you learned how to work with it, turning distraction into clarity and productivity? The answer is yes, you can. And today I'll show you exactly how. Step 1. Redesign your environment. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If you try to focus in the same spot where you normally scroll through TikTok, guess what your brain will expect? Distraction. That's why the first step is to create zones of attention. Pick a specific place, your desk, a corner of your room, even a chair by the window, and reserve it only for deep work. Over time, your brain builds an association. This is where I focus. It's like flipping a mental switch. The moment you sit down, your brain starts shifting gears into productivity mode. Step 2. Master the art of time blocking. Here's the mistake most people make. They try to work for hours without pause, and then they wonder why their mind drifts after 10 minutes. Instead, use time blocking. Choose a short, focused window, 25, 30, or 50 minutes. During that time, your only job is to work on a single task. No multitasking, no checking messages, no quick scroll. Place your phone face down, notifications silenced. Keep it within reach if you must, but don't look at it until your timer ends. Why does this work? Because your brain can handle short bursts of intense focus far better than long, undefined hours. And once you experience that deep state of flow, you'll crave it more than the distraction. Quick reminder, if you're getting value from this and want to learn how to rewire your brain for unstoppable productivity, hit the subscribe button right now. That way, you'll always have tools and strategies ready when distraction strikes. Step 3. Reprogram your relationship with your phone. Here's the secret. Your phone itself isn't the enemy. The problem is how you use it. Instead of demonizing it, make it your ally. Download a focus timer. Use alarms to schedule intentional breaks. Organize your apps so the distracting ones are harder to reach. Even something as simple as moving social media icons off your home screen reduces the impulse to tap. And most importantly, schedule specific times to check messages and notifications. When your brain knows it will get that reward later, it becomes easier to resist the constant urge now. Step 4. Hack your brain's reward system. Every time you give in to a notification, your brain gets dopamine from distraction. But here's the trick. You can flip this system in your favor. Track your progress. Use a checklist, a journal, or even a simple sticky note to mark tasks completed. That visual cue, crossing something off, releases dopamine too. The difference? This time the reward is tied to real achievement, not wasted time. Slowly your brain starts craving the satisfaction of progress over the shallow hit of a notification. That's when focus becomes natural, not forced. Step 5. Start small, grow strong. The biggest mistake people make is trying to quit distractions cold turkey. That rarely works. Instead, begin with just 10 or 15 minutes of distraction-free focus. Once that feels easy, extend it to 25, then 50, then beyond. Focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. And soon, you'll find yourself able to concentrate deeply, even when your phone is inches away. Final challenge. Here's my challenge for you. The moment this video ends, pick one task you've been avoiding. Flip your phone face down, set a 25-minute timer, and give it your full attention. When the timer ends, drop a comment below. Focus complete. And if you want to keep building this momentum, subscribe to the channel right now. Because in the next video, I'll show you how to transform even your breaks into a source of energy, so you can stay sharp all day without burning out. Because real productivity isn't about resisting temptation. It's about building systems that make focus inevitable. So the choice is yours. Will your phone control your attention or will you take it back?